All right, well, it's 2023 and I can't start the new year off without having a Dollar Tree haul video. I wanted to wait just a little bit to give Dollar Tree some time to maybe clear out a little bit of the Christmas decor stuff and really see what's going to be up and coming for the spring. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I found some really great things, and I'm going to share these with you right now. Hello, my favorite people, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the things that I got in this bag from my first real outing for 2023 to the Dollar Tree. And everything I got from Dollar Tree is actually in a reusable bag. And the reason for that is because a new law that went into effect January 1st of 2023 is if you want to use regular bags, like the ones we're so used to getting, you're going to have to pay 10 cents a bag. So now I'm bringing my own bag. Regardless of who made the bag, I'm putting these into my purse and keeping them in my car so I don't have to pay the 10 cents per bag or try to get everything out without having it in a shopping bag. And actually, this isn't that horrible, but it is kind of a pain until you get used to it. So I will stop complaining about the bag law, and I'm going to show you what I found at the Dollar Tree. And I have to tell you, some of these things came from Crafter Square, and I love Crafter Square. And I found some things I've never seen there before, actually all over the Dollar Tree. Starting with this, isn't this pretty? It is like a 3D picture that you can hang on the wall, and it has a really pretty butterfly, and it says, "Enjoy the little things." And you know, I don't even think I'm really gonna have to change anything on this. I just saw it and I was like, I really like that. So I picked that up, and they're starting to get their spring stuff out. So I found this adorable little ceramic watering can, and it actually has the paints inside of it so that you can paint it as well. But I'm not going to use their paints. I'm going to use my own paints and really doctor this thing up. And I think it's adorable. And that is actually going to be in a video that is coming out soon. Really, really soon. I think you're going to like that one. If you like Dollar Tree and you like DIY stuff, you really need to subscribe to my channel so you can actually watch all of the Dollar Tree videos that I have, along with the one that's going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. I promise it will not disappoint. Now, I found this love meter sign, which is adorable. You can totally move this, and it's cute. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. But it also happens to be a perfect rainbow shape. So I'm going to be making this into a rainbow because I think it would be really pretty on one of the shelves that I have downstairs in my living room, my entryway. This is going to be super cute. And I got some super glue wood glue. This stuff is incredible. I use this all the time on the tumbling tower block projects that I make. It's awesome. It is super strong. And this is a 2-ounce bottle of the super glue wood glue. And sometimes I can find it, sometimes I can't. So when I can find it, I usually pick up a bottle of it. But it really does last a very long time. You don't need very much of it. Now, I remember for a long time, Crafter Square did have some faux leather. So I have been searching my Dollar Trees to find this leather, and I finally found it. So this is Faux Leather. It is by Crafter Square, and it's about 12 inches by 20 inches. They had different colors. They had this color, which is like a dark brown, and they also had navy, they had white, and they had kind of a tan color, I guess. I don't know what color you would call this. It doesn't even say what color it is, but it's a brownish color. But I already have an idea for this faux leather, and actually it is really nice. That's pretty impressive. It looks like, I don't know, it does have some seam work on the back, but I don't think that's going to interfere with my idea for my faux leather. And then I can just wrap it up and put it back in its container. And because we are getting closer to Valentine's Day, I found these super cute stickers. These have lots of different gnomes, And then these just say XOXO and be mine, love you. And they're kind of like a 3D type of stickers. So that's really cool. Very awesome little stickers they have at the Dollar Tree right now for Valentine's Day. And then I found these glass stickers. Now these are really neat, and I don't think I have ever seen these at the Dollar Tree before, but they have different patterns, and I am actually going to put that on some Dollar Tree glass, and we're going to doctor up a glass, or I guess a candle holder, to make it have some dimension using these glass stickers. That is going to be fun. Now, this was something I have never seen at the Dollar Tree before, and this is a crafting paper pad. So you can see all of the pictures it has on it. This is actually 16 sheets, and it has 8 designs, and they are 5 by 7 in size, which is kind of cool because I could literally just take one of those pictures, stick it in a frame, and I've got instant artwork. And the animals that they have on here are so cute. That would be so adorable, like in a nursery, or even just making something like if you have bunnies in your decor, or for Easter coming up, that would be kind of cool. And I think the owl was really neat. Yeah, I like the owl. I will probably use him on his own, but there's actually 2 of each. So super cute. And the deer with the mushrooms, then in the back, they have mushrooms like that. So this was really neat. I know what I'm going to do with it. Have you seen these at the Dollar Tree? What would you do with this? Leave a comment in the description box below and let me know. Oh my goodness, this was so awesome. So this is from Crafter Square, and it is a glue gun pad, but it's a silicone pad. And I recently made a video sharing my top 10 favorite must-haves for my craft room. And I talked about the silicone mats that I use in my craft room, which I got on Amazon, but I have never seen silicone mats at the Dollar Tree. So let's see how big this guy is. Silicone mats are awesome for your crafting because it helps really keep your workstation nice and clean, and you can just rinse it off and it's good to go. That is adorable. So if you have a wood project that you're working on, if it's smaller, you could totally use this. That is awesome. For $1.25, that is cool. And they're getting lots more wood pieces, like plain wood pieces at the Dollar Tree. This is so pretty. Look at that dragonfly. Isn't he cute? But they had lots of different spring designs in their Crafter Square section. That is going to be fun to paint for sure. And then I found these really pretty butterfly stickers, and they're like 3D stickers, and there are 12 different butterflies in this one package. Their sticker collection seems to be getting a lot bigger, so those were really cool to find. And this was something new. I have never seen this before. So this is a inset card set. So you can actually take this and make cards with them. And it has, ooh, those are going to be shiny. So it has 2 squares of the gold like foil, and then 2 red ones. It's really pretty. And then it has 4 cards. So there's 2 like cream color and 2 pink color. So you can use the cards or the cardstock with your cutting machine to like remove some of it and then put the inlay underneath it. And it even includes the envelope, so you could make a nice little card for someone. Oh, and this goes along with the dragonfly. This is a wood hanger. That one was actually a pretty good size, so I'm pretty impressed with that. And to go with this, I actually bought a flexible stencil. So this says Farm Fresh, and it is a flexible stencil that I'm going to put on the front of that for my kitchen decor. That is going to be so easy and super cute. Very awesome. And I just have to pause for a minute and say, if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel. And I love sharing different motivational and inspirational videos with you on how you can do your own home decor, different DIYs, and of course, Dollar Tree videos. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuing support. Okay, let's get back to the Dollar Tree haul. Now this, oh my goodness, this is really cool. This is Pop Dot tape from Crafter's Square, and I have bought this before, but this is really awesome if you're doing different paper projects with your cutting machine and you want to make the different layers of the paper stand out. That's what this stuff is very helpful for. And this is 3 rolls of the Pop Dot tape, and each roll is 2 yards in length. So lots of different tape that you can use for your projects. Very nice to have. Very, very nice to have. And I did find some more glitter, and this is permanent glitter paper, and it's 12 inches by 48 inches long. So for 4 feet of glitter vinyl, just the permanent glitter vinyl, this is not the HTV, $1.25 is a really good deal. And I found it really hard to find the silver glitter at Christmas time and before that, so I bought this with the intention of using it next year for a Christmas project. It's gonna be awesome. I'm already thinking about Christmas projects for 2023. I know it's a little soon, but that's okay. It's always good when you have ideas for projects, right? So this was actually really awesome, and I've never seen it at the Dollar Tree before. So it says, "Come gather at our table." And I didn't buy it for the sign itself, but when you turn it around, it's like a blank. So you have the frame and then the piece of wood in the back, and you can make something really cool with that. It's almost like a little tiny shadow box. Very nice. And I bought some wooden dowels. I think I have seen these before, but I've never bought them. So I do have a project I'm going to be using these for, so it was pretty cool to see that they had them. So I have them for my project now. All right, this is so cute. And yes, it's seasonal, but look at that little gnome. Isn't he adorable? They had some bigger gnomes too, but I like him. He's the perfect size for my tiered tray. And I'm gonna make a bunch of Valentine projects for my tiered tray, and I will be sharing those with you really soon. Oh, and this was so cool. This is a screwdriver set, and it has 14 pieces. It's probably not the best quality, but for the craft room, it is awesome. So you have the little screwdriver head, and then you have, was it 13 different pieces? So you just take that, stick it in there, and actually it is magnetic. So that is awesome. I am always looking for a screwdriver, so this will be nice just to keep specifically in my craft room. And it's even got a little hanger, so I could hang it up on one of my pegboards. Like that. Look at that. Can hang him right there. Very cool. Okay, now I know this is going to sound silly, but I picked up a bottle of this Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. It's a 10-ounce bottle of laundry soap. But you know what I have found? This stuff is awesome for cleaning your walls and cleaning doors, like getting the grime and stuff off of doors or basically any surface. It also works really well on my baseboards, I found. So I take a little bit of this, maybe a capful, and put it into a bucket of warm water. It will suds up nicely, and it smells so good for cleaning, and it actually cleans really well. For $1.25, I can actually get my house really clean. This will last me at least a couple of months, and it's awesome, and it works so well, so you don't have to scrub the walls and stuff really hard. It's very good for creating a scrub water for your house. Now this was something new I haven't seen there before, and this is Aleene's original tacky glue. And this is a 3-ounce bottle of the glue. I have not used it yet, but I have read reviews on it, and people really seem to like this glue. So super happy they had that. So I have 2 things of glue that I found from this outing at the Dollar Tree. And for Valentine's Day, I found this adorable heart that's actually really pretty. And it's a pretty good size. And actually the wood is pretty nice. I think if you wanted to either paint it or stain it, you could probably stain it too. Very cool. And this was also in the Valentine decor. It says, "Home is wherever I'm with you," and that's adorable. But I'm not going to be using it for that. This is like a barn shape, and it has kind of 3D because it has the raised wooden edge around the roof line. So that is going to be really fun. And then I found these adorable little frogs. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. He's kind of laying on his back and he's posing on his side. So if you like frogs, you could leave them just like this, but I am going to be making these look more like they came from Pottery Barn. And then I got a wastebasket, and sometimes these can be hard to find at my Dollar Tree because I have looked for them from time to time and haven't been able to find them, but they had them on my last shopping trip. So that was awesome. And I'm not using it for the waste, like a wastebasket. I mean, you totally could, but I'm more interested in this. It's like a wire mesh, and I'm going to be using that in a project for spring. You could even, oh my gosh, you could totally even make that a lampshade and then put some fabric over it. Some of the fabric that you get at the Dollar Tree, because they actually have fabric too. Huh, that's another idea. I love how the ideas just keep coming to my brain. And then this is something new that I have never seen there before. I guess you could make a sign with it, but I have something else in mind, and it does not include that. Oh, but I just ripped it. Oh well, I'll fix that in a little bit. But see, I just took that little stake off, and then you could have a hanger. Just like that. It's kind of cool. And actually, this is pretty cute, and it is meant to be a photo holder, but if you have a tiered tray and you're doing something for Valentine's Day, all you got to do is take that hanger part out, and look at that. You have an instant little decoration for a tiered tray. Pretty sweet, huh? That's what's so fun about creating stuff, especially if you're doing stuff for a tiered tray, like a seasonal one. So Christmas, fall, Valentine's Day, spring, summer. You can find little things like this at the Dollar Tree, and you can make some really unique and even personalize this so that it's just perfect for your tiered tray decor. But I like that guy just like he is. So he is going to be a part of my Valentine's tiered tray. Loads of love. All right, so that is everything that I got at my latest Dollar Tree excursion. I think I did really well. Out of all of the products that I got, there was probably half of these things that I have never seen before. So if you have a Dollar Tree close by, I highly encourage you to go check them out and see what your Dollar Tree holds. It seems like they're getting lots of new stuff because it's a new year. So who knows, a month from now, this could all be totally different. But I would encourage you to go check them out. Find some really cool different decorator pieces, and some things that need to be made over, and even some things that don't. And we've gotten to that time in the video where I tell you thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend. And until my next video, bye-bye for now.